My dear viewers, have you ever had the situation that you got a wonderful vintage Barbie with a nice dress, but this dress had stains from age? So, is there a way to get the stains out when normal washing agents don't work? Let's try this today with Boost, not José. I'm Busy Bee from Germany and welcome to my channel. Now let's try and test Boo. I have here a measurement of 1 teaspoon and we are going to fill maybe 1.5 teaspoons into my lukewarm water. I prepared this before, and then we are going to put this dress and this my Let's Dance dress, it has a stain here, into the Boost and test if we can get the stains out. So I dissolved it and now let's put the dress in there. And we are also putting the Let's Dance in there. And I'm going to let them in the bowl overnight, and let's have a look tomorrow how the dresses look. The question is, do we get all the stains out of the dresses? I'm really surprised how this will turn out. My dear viewers, I'm going to take our little skipper dress out. I think the stains are gone here now completely. So I will put it under cold water and let it dry. Let's have a look later at this dress. The other one here is still not clean. I have still my yellow stains here in the dress. We let this in here for a while and see if the stains are going to disappear or not. I don't know exactly what the stains are. My dear viewers, one day passed by since we started our cleaning experiment with Skipper's dress and the Let's Dance dress. So her dress was in the solution for one night and it came out very bright this morning. It dried over the day and now it's completely dry, and you can see the white is really bright. The stains, the yellow stains from the age are gone. And I think that's quite a good quality for the stuff called Boost. I think it works. It does what it should. But this is not the end of our little experiment. The Let's Dance dress will stay in there for some more days because I don't know what kind of stain is in the dress. The previous owner wasn't able to tell me either. So we let this dress in there for several more days. I'm going to film the progress for you in the next days. I hope you liked my little video, at least part 1 of it, that you can see now. I think that was it for today. Question of the day is, what have you used for cleaning Barbie clothes yet? Tell me in the comments below. You can share, like and subscribe to my channel. You can also leave me comments if you have any special video wishes. They are always welcome. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!